y'all, welcome back to another LOSV. If you ain't know, that's the life of Steph Vlogs. Anyway, today is such a pretty day out here. I don't know if it's gonna rain or not, but it is hot and it is, I don't know, I mean the sun is shining and it looks nice. But anyway, I had a couple of things I need to do today. I just left the gas station. I am about to go into this Dollar Tree. I need to find some things for my cabinets, for my pantry cabinets, so I can compartmentalize stuff. And then I need to run into Walmart, pick up a couple of things out of Walmart. So of course I'm gonna bring you guys with me, it's only right. So let's go ahead and go into this Dollar Tree right now, y'all. Oh, now they want to have parking spaces open after I didn't park. Gotta walk a mile away in this hot heat. Sun shining. And I'm hot. Thank God for automatic start in your car. That's for sure. Need a buggy for real. This buggy. Okay, so Dollar Tree is such a disappointment. Like, they did not have what I needed in there, so scratch Dollar Tree. So, is y'all ready to cook with me? Because I'm about to start cooking right now. Okay guys, y'all have to excuse my lighting because it sucks right here. But anyway, let me just show you guys. My dinner has officially just gotten done. So me and Karaya is about to sit down and eat dinner. Corey is at work right now, so when he gets off of work, he'll be sitting down and eating dinner too. So this is what we have. We have our lemon chicken, and I went ahead and cut that in half. We have our zucchini, our organic zucchini, and our organic potatoes and carrots, roasted potatoes and carrots. So that is what we have here. It's yummy, yummy, yummy. I did put some butter in that too, some more salt and butter in that. This I just put butter. I just cooked it in butter, and I put parsley and this as well on there. And for this, I just sprinkled a little bit of salt on there and roasted it. So that is our dinner for tonight.
The next day.
Hey y'all, what's up? So I just walked out of Walmart and it looks like it's about to rain. I'm about to head over to Target. Walmart get on my nerves so much. I love Walmart, but at the same time they get on my nerves because when you be really wanting what you want and they don't have it. So I'm last minute getting Karaya's school stuff for real. What is it? Today is like Thursday. She starts school Monday and we're just now getting her school stuff. But anyway, I got a couple of things out of Walmart. I'm about to go head over to Target and see if they got some more stuff. Then I'm probably gonna have to come back with her tomorrow to get her shoes because I really believe that I need to have her with me for her shoes because she was like in between sizes. So I just want to make sure that I get the right shoes. And I also left her school list at home for her supplies, so I'm gonna get the supplies tomorrow, but I'm just trying to get all the clothes, and I might just go ahead and try to find her a book bag and get that out the way. But yeah, let me go ahead and go to this super Target, y'all.